Hello and welcome to Crafting Unedited. My name's Sierra and today we are going to talk about and use some Cricut Joy Smart Vinyl. This is removable vinyl, not permanent and not iron-on. So this is the type of vinyl that you can use with your Cricut Joy without a mat. It's pretty freaking fabulous in my opinion. So I have chosen a image and in the Design Space app. It's easier to use the app with the Joy rather than a computer. You can use either or, but my laptop is in the other room being used for something else. So for now we are going to use the Design Space app. The image that I have chosen, it's kind of an intricate one, so we're going to test this little guy out, put it to work. It's the Be Kind. So it's got a picture of the bee and it says Be Kind. It's pretty sweet. I really like it. So we're gonna try that. Alrighty, so I did have to resize it and I had to bring it down to 11.4 centimeters wide because that's as wide as these little guys go and this little guy goes, which is totally fine. So we're gonna select Make It and we're gonna leave it on the screen. We're gonna open this stuff up here. I have not played with this. I only played with the stuff that came with my Joy. That's why you never cut towards yourself. You always cut away from your body. Because things like that happen. Craziness. There we go. Just kidding. It doesn't matter. There we go. And I think that I'm going to use... I kind of want to put it over there on my wall or maybe over there on my fridge. Don't know yet, but I kind of want to use, since it's a bee, I want to use this pretty gold. I don't think that'll look right on the wall, so I think we'll use black. Because it's black, gold, silver, white, or red. We'll go with black. We'll keep it simple. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Comes in a roll of 5, or a set of 5. And they are all 5.5 inches by 12 inches long. So we're just going to set that right there because if not it's going to roll out. And this is what I have on my screen. And next we're just going to go to Continue. And of course it's not connected. We're going to connect it. Alright, try this again. We're going to hit continue, the little green button down in the left hand corner. Smart Vinyl Removable. You're going to select that, and you're going to align this bad boy up. It's so cool how it can sense it. Ah! I confused it because I pulled it out. It's so fun. I love that it just detects it and then it just goes. It's pretty cool. Alright, so while this is cutting, I'm going to review a few things that I have learned about the Cricut Joy. And please make sure that you subscribe so that you can learn all of the cool things that I am learning with me. And see all the awesome tutorials, tricks, and tools that you can use. One of the things that I did discover with the Cricut Joy is that when you use it in the Design Space app on your phone or tablet, it's going to measure in centimeters, not inches. So keep that in mind when you are designing on your app or on the phone or on a tablet, phone, whatever, through the app and not through the desktop. Through the desktop, it does still measure it in inches and not centimeters, but through the app, it is definitely centimeters. I learned that yesterday when I was trying to cut stickers. They ended up being this big. And that's why they're on my Joy now. Another really fun thing that I learned is that some of the tools, the pens, can be interchanged. There's just an adapter, or you have to kind of finagle it in there. There's a little hack. That'll be in another video. Make sure you keep up on that. I do imagine that Cricut will come out with a lot more accessories, blades, and tools, just like they did with the Explorer Air and the Maker. As it became more popular and there was more demand for it, Cricut produced. That is what they do. They get you interested, they draw you in, and then they make you buy all of the supplies, which is totally fine. Kind of. Now, just because I'm using the Smart Vinyl does not mean that you absolutely have to. You can use any type of vinyl that you want. You just have to have a mat. The Smart Vinyl removes the requirement of having a mat, which is pretty neat if you're traveling or if you don't want to use a mat. I personally have a love-hate relationship with the mats. I love them because they're very useful. They help keep your products or your images, your materials, that's what they're called, materials, on a flat surface, and when you're weeding something, it helps tremendously. However, they lose their stick and you have to buy more. Cleaning them kind of works. You still lose some of your stickiness. Chances are you're going to end up buying new ones anyway. So I probably have about 20 mats in total that most have no stick left or minimal stick left. So I have used those as a cutting base for my desk. Not that desk, my crafting space. Alright, this looks to be almost done. We got about a quarter of the way left. Kind of excited, though I did forget to grab a weeding tool again. No worries, because I'm not going to sit here and weed this. I'm just gonna cut and then pull the base off and show you what the outline looks like. The purpose of this video was to just show you that cutting Smart Vinyl is really cool. Even, I mean, they have the Smart Iron-On, permanent and removable. I see that they're probably going to be making some of the patterned vinyls as a smart vinyl as well. So yeah, it's pretty fun. The Smart Vinyl is pretty neat. I didn't think it would be that cool. But it is. It's pretty sweet. Trying to see if there's any other info on this little... This is very, very easy to weed. I will add that. That's something that was on here. When I was weeding the test project, it was very, very, very smooth, very quick, very effortless. Didn't even really need a weeding tool for it. It was pretty cool. I was definitely one that was like, nah, we don't need the Smart Vinyl, but then it came in my bundle and I'm like, yeah, I need the Smart Vinyl. I'm stalling, guys. Sorry if you don't want to hear me talk. But you should definitely subscribe so that you can see, not only for the Joy, I do a lot of tutorials for the Maker as well. I did some for the Explorer Air when I had that machine before I upgraded to the Maker. And I do a lot of other crafting tutorials as well. Just crafting in general. Almost done, almost done. It's pretty fun. I like it. I don't like bees, like the real thing. I'm very terrified of them, actually. But I do like this. It's pretty neat. Alright, it is all done, and when it's all done, you have two options. It says try again or unload. Try again, I would assume, is if it didn't cut all the way through, or if you're cutting like a glitter vinyl. Been there, done that. I always run glitter vinyl through twice because it is just such a pain in the butt. Or if you're cutting something else like cardstock that's a bit thicker, I would do the cut again, and then you don't unload, you just hit that try again. All right, there we have it. I'm gonna cut this bad boy down here. That way I can save my scraps. If you don't save your scraps, you're missing out. Even with this, if you have like little pieces and parts, I would save it and just use the mat. That's just me. Oh, I cut that really close. All right, see, this is how you can tell how effortlessly this will weed. There's lots of intricate pieces here, and it's just peeling right up. As I said that, it gave me a little bit of a pain. That's okay. And these letters are super skinny, and normally they would be kind of a major pain in the butt to pull apart here because they would separate or come apart. And again, I spoke too soon. My E doesn't want to release. There we go. I'm just gonna stop saying how easily this stuff is to weed. Because apparently it doesn't like me to talk about it. I just have a little dot that doesn't want to come off. So we're gonna use these little scissors here to get it to come out. I spoke too soon. Don't you hate when that happens? You're like, oh, it does so easily. And then it's like, ha, I tricked you. I did lose the circle, but that's okay because I can easily grab it. It's stuck on the other side. There we go. Got it. We're just gonna put you back there. There we go. Outside of the little dot, it was very easy to weed. And I'm gonna come show you just how easy that is. So see, this is what it looks like. And watch. This is how easy this stuff is to weed. You can just use your finger for the big pieces. If I can get it. There we go. See? Super easy. Ta-da! Be kind. There we go. That, my friends, is how you use the Cricut Smart Vinyl, the removable kind at least. HTV, permanent, it's all going to be the same process, except for with the HTV or iron-on, you're going to mirror your image. Remember to mirror your image. I'm terrible at that. I've wasted so much vinyl that way. Either way, I know you enjoyed this because I'm awesome. And remember to subscribe so that you can see all of my awesome tutorials going forward. Until next time, my beautiful crafting friends, we'll see you later.